Hi everyone, we're going to do a parabolic arc bridge problem, and so we have this bridge. The bridge has a span of 120 feet, so that's going from here to here. So I put this on a coordinate system, a suitable one, and I'm going to find the height at distance of 10, 30, and 50 feet from the center. So we have, if this is 60, this would be 30. 10 would be closer in, and 50 would be closer to the 60. So we're trying to find the height here, here, and here. All right, from the center, and that's the center. So the first thing we do is you have to get an equation. It opens down because it's a bridge type thing, an arc bridge. And so we're going to write as x squared equals 4ay. And we're going to substitute in a point that we already know, which is right here. So we have 60 squared. And instead of 4a, let's just let this be c, because we already know that this equals 25. So basically we're going to get c times y, which is negative 25. So my c is going to equal negative 144. Okay, so that's my c. And then I'm going to rewrite my equation to have x squared equals negative 144y. Okay, now I'm just going to plug in different values for to find 10, 30, and 50 of my x values to find my y. And your y is basically your height. So if we plug in 10 first, this would be my height 1, my height 2, and my height 3. So basically, let's plug in my x, which is 60. And so we get 60. We're going to plug in 10, sorry. I knew I was saying something wrong. So 10 squared equals negative 144. And I'll just call this height 1. And so we're going to get the height is going to be basically 25. This is going to equal negative 0.69. So since we already are starting at 25 here, I'm going to subtract 25 minus 0.69, and that's going to equal 30 feet from the center. All right? So if that's 30 feet from the center, then what we're going to do is plug it in. We get 30 squared equals negative 144y, and then you get this equals y is going to equal negative 6.25. Okay, so the height of the bridge at 30 feet, this is your 30, is that, and you have to subtract that again from the 25, and you get 25 minus 6.25, and that gives you 18.78 feet. Okay, so my height 1, this is wrong here, I wrote the wrong thing down. So 25 minus 0.69 is 24.31 feet. So that's your height 1. Your height 2 is 18.98 feet. This is height 2. And for your last one, we want to do 50. So I'm going to erase this a little bit so I have more room. and we'll do that one in red. So we get 50 squared equals negative 144y. So y equals, in this case, y is negative 17.36. So you're going to subtract, you get 25 minus 17.36, and that's going to give you 7.64 feet. So there are your arc distances at 10, which is 24.31, at 30, which is, I can't read this, this is going to be 18.78. Make that better. And then at 50, it's 7.64. And that's all. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.